Hey guys, Archie Luxury, and I'm in Geneva, Switzerland, and I want to show you this trendy hotel I'm staying at. Let's have a look at it, and I want to show it to you. I'm staying in a rooftop. This is a rooftop room, and the hotel is trendy as fuck. Let's have a look here. Let's go in. Let's da-da-da-da. We go in. We've got a little bit of closet space. Closet space is always handy. Now, I've got an attic room. Look at this. It's got a fucking beautiful attic room here. It's on the top of the building. Look at this. Cozy as fuck. Cozy as fuck. There's the bed. Really, look at that. Is it soft? It's cozy. It's soft. I think I'm going to enjoy this one. And let's have a look here. We've got a nice bit of workstation area here. Very, very beautiful. And what have we got here? What's this shower? This is a trendy shower toilet combo meal deal hunger buster. We've got a toilet. And we got a cool, trendy shower. Have a look here. This is the room. Look at this. What's this? This is... some books here. Why you marry the wrong person. Holy fuck. Very interesting. Why we hate cheap things. Fuck. The School of Life. Oh, these are the School of Life. The School of Life on Confidence. The School of Life. Look at that. That's look at this. So beautiful, cool, trendy. It's happening. It's amazing. Then we've got a little sink unit here. Sink unit, basin. What more do you want? It's so fucking trendy. What do we got here? Oh, we've got a refrigerator. It's a little refrigerator. Refrigerator, alligator. It's just a little self-contained, little trendy little unit. And I got to be honest with you. What more do you want? What more do you want? I'm going to have a shower and a shave. And then I'm going to the Patek Philippe Museum. So there you go, guys. Just giving you a tour of my room. Tell me what you think, guys. Archie Luxury. This is in Geneva. What do you think? I mean, this room cost me $2,500 Aussie for a week, but fuck it. Hey, Eddie's pulling in the bucks. And there's my timepieces. I got my world time. And I got my Breguet. There we go. 2 solid gold pieces. What do you think, guys? This is where it's at. I'm Archie Luxury reporting from Geneva, Switzerland. Tell me what you guys think of